Why am I so scared? I'm so... How do you face your fears? You're all humans. You feel a lot of fear. I don't feel fear. How do you face them? Let's just... Because he's scared, not me. He's scared. Look at him. He's shivering. Oh. I don't like any of those answers. Alright. I'm now here. Oh dear. Oh, no. Okay. How far was it? I'm gonna take a peek. There it is. Okay. I'm not gonna make the mistake that they made. I made a mistake. I made the exact same mistake, except... Yes, I made the same mistake. Okay, well... Okay, well... Okay, well, we learned something! Kyun, you were saying?